Good morning, students. So this is convocation address for 11th standard 5th unit. Okay, we were seeing about Dr. Aranya Annadurai's expectation of the society from each and every individual. Okay, where they have studied and come to a certain level. That is what throughout the lesson, what he is coming out to tell is that what you have taken from the society, you have to give something back. Once again, you have to give it back to the society. Okay, your superior education increases your responsibility to society. Your education increases your responsibility. Okay, once you study, your education also, your responsibility also increases, and you are in a situation to do something back to the society. How will you do? What are you going to do to the society is by, see that. Therefore, apart from or along with your own individual advancement, society has got a right. The society has got a right. It has the right to expect something from you because you have studied by the society. Okay, each and every person, farmer or any tiller or toiler has given some money, and from his money only you have studied and come up in life. So your duty is to do something for those people once again. Okay, that is what he is telling. Society has got a right, it has got a right to expect an adequate return from you. Adequate means what? Adequate means sufficient. Okay, sufficient work from you, or sufficient money from you, or an adequate help from you for developing the society. For developing the society, it's got a right to expect an adequate return from you. Not so much in terms of money. It's not only you have not. It is not that you should be donating money. It is that out of service is telling, not in terms of money, as in terms of service, doing something service. You have to do service to the society. Okay, in toning up society means what? In bringing light into the dark alleys. Wherever it is dark, you have to bring light. You must take it in a different view. That dark, you have to bring light. You have to bring light into the place who are very poor. Okay, you have to lift the poor. That is what. Sunshine into dingy places, sunshine into dingy. Dingy means what? Dark place, bringing sunshine. Sunshine refers to happiness, bringing happiness to the sad people, those who are not enjoying the facility that we enjoy. Okay, particularly the village people, those who are poor people, you have to do something back to the society. That is what? Dingy place. Solace into the afflicted. Solace means what? Bringing comfort, showing comfortness. Comfort means what? Ardal. Okay, so solace into the afflicted. Afflicted means what? Those who are affected, those who are suffering. Okay, so that is what you have to do something for those people, and for those people, those who have lost hope. Okay, hope unto the despondent. Giving hope unto the despondent means what? Many youngsters might have studied and they might be without jobs, so they'll be hopeless. You have to bring some hope. Okay, that is by providing a hope, giving them hope that they could also come up in life if they work a step ahead. Okay, hope unto the despondent and a new life unto everyone. Unless service is the outcome. Service means what? Working. Okay, unless service is the outcome. Outcome means what? Result. Service means what? Action. Okay, working. Unless service is the outcome, the sermons. Sermons means what? Giving speech. Sermon means what? Giving speech. Only talking does not do everything. Only those who get down and start working, that only will do something. Okay. So unless service is the outcome, the sermons become sweet nothing. Okay, as Jefferson stated, there is one writer, Jefferson, what he is telling is we must dream of an aristocracy of achievements. Dream of an aristocracy. Aristocracy means what? High class. Okay, our thought, dream and all should be big, of aristocracy, okay, arising out a democracy of opportunities, achieving a great dream and creating a way for many people. Democracy. Democracy means what? People. Okay, for many people, all sorts of people, not only for the upper class, for all the classes. Okay, and when I seek your help, when I means Arinyarana, when I am seeking your help, when I am expecting your help and cooperation in the supreme task. What is the supreme task? In providing everybody, the beneficiaries, okay, the basic things like food, shelter, dress, clothing, and everything. Okay, when I seek your help in and cooperation of the supreme task of serving society, doing something for the society, please do not wink and smile and say, it is also easy to say. When I speak, it is easy for speaking, but while putting into action, while trying to do something for the society, definitely there will be lots and lots of difficulties. Okay, what is it telling? I am not unaware of the difficulties. Arinyarana is telling, I am not unaware of the difficulties, nor am I going to brush aside the influence of the environment, okay, on you. I know, what is it telling, that I am not unaware and I do not know how the environment is around you. Maybe the world in which you are going to begin the journey is one which will dim your hope. Once you take a step in order to elevate the society, in order to do good to the society, automatically your hopes will be, there will be some negative people, okay, they might not understand your intention, okay, they will stop your growth, okay, right from the beginning itself. So automatically you get discouraged. There will be some evil force like that. Okay, so must not. That is what he is telling. Maybe the world in which you are to begin the journey is one which will dim your hope, disturb your determination. Determination means what? Will. Determination means what? Will. It will stop your determination, your hope, your ambition. Determination means what? What ambition? Your ambition all will be spoiled by the environment around you. Environment around you. That is what he is telling. You may come face to face with unpleasant sight of practices which you would not be getting along with those practices, which will not be suitable for you, but you will be in a situation to do that. You have to come across those situations. Okay, you may come face to face with the unpleasant sight of practices widely differing from the principles inculcated in you. Principles means what? Rules. You might be having your separate individual policy, but in that policy, in certain places ought to break out. You have to break out. You have to come out of that. There will be situations like that. Okay, principles inculcated in you. Inculcated means what? Developed. Some human beings following certain principles, policies, some good habits. Okay, but the environment will try to stop that. Okay, take a different step. It might disturb, it might deter your courage. You may find self-seekers enthroned. Self-seekers means what? Those who are selfish people. Okay, self-seekers enthroned, and the patient worker decried. Patient, one who is working one who is working very loyally and truthfully will be thrown away. One who is self-seekers, one who is selfish might be enthroned. Tyranny of all sorts. Tyranny means what? Tyranny means what here? Meaning unjust and injustice. One who is doing unjust, one who is not, one who is showing partiality. That is what tyranny. Okay, tyranny means what? Like dictatorship. Okay, tyranny and all sorts may stare at you, and every step you take will be a struggle. Every step you take will be a struggle. Okay, it will not be so easy. Okay, so I admit means what? I accept that the environment is such that even people with the robust optimism. Robust means what? Robust means strong optimism. Optimism means what? Those who take life in a positive way. That is what optimism. Okay, one who takes life in a positive way, that everything will do good, I will make everything success, like that. That person, those who are with high, robust, means strong people, they themselves will be discouraged and forced to take the path of ease and comfort. But at the same time, we should realize that a continuous stream of men and women endowed with the spirit of service. Okay, but there are, we should also think about men and women who are endowed. Endowed means what? Gifted with the what? Gifted with the spirit of service. For example, Mother Teresa and all. Okay, she came from nowhere, but she created a home for the destitutes, for the orphans, for the widows. Okay, and it became a great success. Likewise, you have to do something for the society. With the spirit of service, I have been carrying on the crusade successfully. Crusade means what? A campaign. In Tamil we say Kootam. Okay, something for a good cause, for a good reason. Successfully, and have conferred rich benefits on humanity. Okay, and they have gained benefits from the humanity. We the Tamilians have been holding aloft this ideal for more than 2000 years, as expressed in Purananuru. We Tamilians are coming from a rich legacy, from a rich culture, that we are completely unique and we are standing aloft. Aloft means what? Somewhere great, high. Okay, as inheritors of such legacy, as we are born from that legacy. Okay, legacy means what? Parambarai. In Tamil we say, from that legacy you are best suited to overcome. Overcome means what? Solve. Okay, overcome even the environment and serve society to the best of your abilities. You have the abilities to do something good and serve for the society. I am confident. I am means it refers to Arjun Annadurai, who is giving a speech in the convocation address. I am confident, he is very confident, that you are being sent into this wide world with this objective. With this objective means what? With this aim, with this goal. You are bound to win, for you are adequately. Adequately means what? Sufficient. Adequate means what? Sufficient. You are more than equipped, more than enough for you have more than enough talent and spirit supplied by this great institution. This institution, the university, has given you a great talent for you to explore, to do expedition. May your life be a bright one. At last he is wishing everybody, may your life be a bright one, and may its luster means what? May it glow. The life, let your life be bright. Okay, brighten the entire land. Accept my congratulations. He is asking the students to accept his congratulations and march on towards the land of smiles. Thank you. We will see in the next video.